In today's video, I'll teach you how to change or reset APN settings on Android. So first of all, launch open settings on your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. The settings options will vary according to the Android device that you're using, but what you have to do is find the settings option related with network and internet. After you do that, tap on it. Now you'll be led to the network and internet interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option mobile network that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to access the settings related with the mobile network. What you have to do is scroll down, find this option for access point names. Once you do that, tap on it. Now you'll be able to see the APNs over here. What you have to do is tap on the APN that you would like to change to. After you do that, you'll be able to change the APN. Likewise, if you want to reset it, what you have to do is tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on this option reset to default. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Tap on this option OK that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, the APN will be reset. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you change or reset APN settings on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.